Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick little video showing everyone the Canvas app on the iPhone. You pop it open just like normal, and there's your classes. And you can pop into your digital communications class, for example, drop into discussions, bring it up, scroll down to week 3, discussion, online meetings and virtual instruction. And you go down, I need to make a reply. Let's type something in. Right now. A little while. Okay, so just click done, and it adds to the posts way on down at the bottom. Scroll all the way to the end. And yes, when you have a big long thread like this one, it does take a little while to end. See how it has to expand them all. So that can be a little disappointing when you have to wait for it to load these long messages. But it is what it is. And there you go, right at the bottom. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and have a good night.